Fantastic. Come, let's do small. So you remember our Kenyan baby mama? You know, we and Kenyans now, we are not in-laws. Our Kenyan alleged baby mama. Chief priest alleged baby mama. So apparently, Cubana hired lawyers in Kenya. Then they sued Helen to court. Blow is suing Helen for defamation of character. The letter Pascal allegedly submitted through his the lawyers he hired in Kenya. Let me read it. Republic of Kenya, in the Chief Magistrate Court at Nairobi, Milimani Law Courts, civil case number ... of 2025. Pascal Chibike Okechukwu alias Cubana Chiefpriest versus Linda Otieno alias Helen Ati. Notice of motion. Under Section 1A, 1B, 3A of the Civil Procedure Act, Order 40, Rules 1, 2, 3, and 4, and Order 51, Rule 1 of the Civil Procedure Rules 2010, Sections 22 and 23 of the Computer Misuse and Cybercrime Act 2018, Articles 28, 31, 33, and 35 of the Constitution of Kenya 2010, take notice that this honorable court shall be moved on the day of they did not put date, at 8 a.m. in the forenoon or as soon thereafter as counsel for the plaintiff application shall be heard for orders that this application be certified urgent and heard ex parte in the first instance. Pending the hearing and determination of this application, this honorable court be pleased to issue an interim order of injunction restraining the defendant and respondent by herself, her agent, and servants or assigned from publishing, uploading, or sharing or disseminating in any form or manner defamatory content against the plaintiff, stroke application on any social media platform or public forum. Pending the hearing, determination of this suit, a temporary injunction be and hereby issued, restraining the defendant from publishing and re-uploading or sharing. That's only what they. So when Helen saw the letter, Helen went on a tangent. It pained Helen. Helen decided to unleash more on Blow. Aye. Watch.
See this your brother. See this your brother. So you think he can serve me? He can sue me? Eh? Pascal, you know you yourself, you should be even in jail right now. Do you know you should be even in jail right now? They should be jailed you right now. You have the audacity. After how many years have I called you to come and prove yourself wrong? If you know that I was lying until I'm the one who told you to sue me, you still have the audacity to give out my number. Whereby you have my number, you cannot even call and text me and tell me, Helen, how can we go about this speaking? Pascal, this is not Nigeria. This is not Nigeria, oh, that you think you can use your money, oh. Na Kenya we day. This is my country. And you are so heartless that you have the audacity, you have money to pay a lawyer, but to feed your own flesh and blood, you don't know. Pascal Ogu will strike you there. Ogu keep you. Ogu will keep you, Pascal. Even if you put me in chain here to arrest me, I no go keep quiet. I will do anything, go to anything extent for my child. See, if you sue me, you don't sue me, I will still drag you until you come to Kenya and do the DNA. I told you this year, me and you. I am not scared of lawyers because lawyers are human beings like me. There's no defamation that I have done because I'm fighting for the rights of my child. That is what I am telling you. I am fighting for the right of my child. And I will never stop. Whether you do whatever you want to do, I will still talk. Until you do the right thing as a father. You have my number. Why have you not told me those days? Why have you waited till today? You have time to call the lawyers here in Kenya to tell them, sue me for what? Did you go to school, Pascal? Have you gone to school? You the mad? You the Suzu? Because you go and keep you there. You the mad? Those people that are giving advice for you, they're lying to you, my friend. You better come and face your own consequences. Come and do the needful. If you don't want to do the DNA, send child support. Oga, I say with my leg, and I step my leg down. Oga, you know go better for you. See, I am mad. I have run mad before. I have been to Madare hospital before because I was mad. Oga, don't try me. If you want this to stop, then come to Kenya and do the DNA. And be as a father to your child. Even so your friend is taking care of his boy. Who you be? Davido himself, in London, he's taking care of his pikin. Even Imade, now, he's taking care of his pikin. Those are your friends. You cannot even follow what they're doing. You want to have this ego. Ego cannot help you, my friend. It cannot help you. I can remember the first day that we met was 2022, April on 17. I still have it. And you gave me the number, whereby I was going to my apartment. See, Pascal, that's your sue. You're the mad. You are mad. See, I will insult you. Go and sue another one. Mumu man, idiot man. Who will strike you? You are an idiot man. Sue me again.
You see it? The way Helen they call Pascal name, you would think Helen is present at Pascal's naming ceremony. Pascal Okechukwu. Pascal Okechukwu. Nigerians, make gonna help me. I don't look, I say yes, it's 1 AK market day. Because Helen used to manifest everyone 1 AK market days. Nigerians, make gonna help me. Pascal Okechukwu with him big belly. Big belly. Hi, I say problem. So, DPA Family Law Clinic that used to fight for Helen, they reposted this. They say, some developing news to watch. Cubana Chiefpriest has sued the Kenyan lady that accused him. He sued her in Kenya. God want to help the lady and the child. Hence, Cubana Chiefpriest willingly submitted himself to jurisdiction. Wonder shall never cease. Of course, on the surface, it will appear that CCP is bold and confident. But remember this post. It is the biggest miscalculation because any paternity test will likely show he's the father. The lady's greatest obstacle was that she was so afraid to come to Nigeria to sue. Now that the problem has solved, DPA Kenya will help the child. So you see, Blow, through his lawyers, his charge and bail lawyers in Kenya, submitted the application. Now I'm wondering, some lawyers will put somebody in trouble. Because if this case goes to court, it's a defamation case. The lady's lawyer will say, you are the father. Then the court will compel you to do a DNA test. So, in essence, you have gone to shoot yourself in the foot. Some lawyers will never advise somebody because they want to collect money. Some lawyers, now then go push you, go put you for trouble. If you say that this child is not yours, and the lady is saying, do DNA to prove that this child is not yours, the best you can do if you are innocent is say, since you are the one making the accusation, I know this child is not mine. You are the one that will pay for the DNA, but I'm willing to take the DNA to clear my name. But Pascal did not do that. Now Pascal has submitted the lawsuit. Now the court will compel Pascal to go and do the DNA. You see it? The court will compel Pascal to do the DNA. As long as Pascal does not enter Kenya. If he enters Kenya, he has, because the Kenyan courts don't have jurisdiction in Nigeria, obviously. So, as long as Pascal does not enter Kenya, the moment he enters Kenya and this case goes to court, if this case goes to court, the court will have to compel Pascal to do the DNA. So, here it is. Every 2 AK market day, will they get problem for these two people? Will they get problem? Helen no send anybody. Helen don't tell you, say, she be crazy person before. You look, you carry umbrella, you go and put it inside person who don't get mental problem before. She has nothing to lose. In fact, the step you just took now favors her. She has nothing to lose. The other says she should stop posting defamatory. Helen will continue. Until that court case gone. That's what she's looking for. You have played into her hands. It is well. Helen, please, deal with Pascal alone. Leave us Nigerians. Because every time, Nigerians, we're gonna help. We were not there when you people were doing. When you were shouting Pascal, go deeper. Allegedly. When you were allegedly shouting Pascal, go deeper, we were not there. So please, whatever problem you have with Pascal, settle it with Pascal. Just leave us out of it. We have too much problems on our hands. Benway, insurgency, headsmen, different problem. Our president on his own is a problem. So please, we take God's name, beg you. If you and Pascal get problem, make you and Pascal settle the problem. You see that Pascal allegedly went to carry somebody that has mental problem, that has been in a mental institution before, because of big Mabele and big Matako. Now that Helen is showing the true colors that she has run mad before, not even in the previous life, in this life. She has run mad before in this life. Pascal go collect. You know, this Awambala can put us in trouble. This Umbala, it can put us in a lot of trouble. Aye, this life no balance though. This life no balance. Hey, where are you going?
It is smoky, Igbo.
When you watch this video now, didn't you laugh? You laughed, but you still refuse to subscribe. Are you among my village people? You're among my village people. You don't want me to make it in life.
Continue.
You refuse. You laughed. Shouldn't my reward be click the subscribe button, click the notification bell, and click all notification? And when you finish watching, you share. Share to your friends so that they too will laugh. So that me too, I will go far. But no, you decided to be among my village people. You want to watch and go. Don't be among my village people. I post videos every day, every single day, to make you laugh. If you join the tribe, the fantastic tribe, every day you will just be laughing. Look at this one now. This one is to watch all my funny videos playlist. This one is to watch my last video. And this one is to subscribe.